Myrtle Beach International Airport. Let's check it out. It's not a big airport. I was short on time yesterday flying in, but it's really easy to get to. It's like a mile from the beach. So that's great. Let's get the car dropped. All right. This is it. Here's the entrance. This is for drop-offs, arrivals, pickups, departures, rentals. Can't get much easier than this. Short-term, hourly. Oh, this is all parking. $12 a day. That's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's actually half price compared to a lot of other airports. Where? Okay, terminal rentals. This is a cool airport. It's right on the ocean. And there it is. There she stands in all her glory. We'll drop this off and get inside. Pick up and departures right here. Alright, gonna head into TSA. You can come in wherever you want. I'll take you guys through the baggage claim. All right. Ticketing. Boardwalk Cafe. I'm not checking a bag. I had to check a bag here to bring salsa, of all things. Yes, chips and salsa. Pretty simple. Got these kiosks. I'm the kind of person I like to have my boarding pass on hand. It's just my preference, so I'll take care of that. All right, got the boarding stuff done. Here's TSA. Pretty simple. Again, it is pretty early. Yep. So you got two terminals. A, that way, and B, this way. Oh, and they connect. Of course. All right. Oh, there we go. There we go. Well, here you go. All right, gates B1 through 6. Some more restaurants and shops. Some more shops and then the rest of the gates, folks. See you next time.